Steam your way through creases with this Philips steam generator iron with a 1.8 litre water tank to help you get through that big pile of laundry. OptimalTEMP replaces traditional settings with a smart chip. This provides one optimal setting, ensuring no garment burning and safe ironing of materials from denim to silk. The easy De-Calc Plus setting gets rid of limescale and extends the life of the iron. You'll get a reminder when it's time to clean, so you can simply empty the dirty water and scale into a cup. Eco Mode is an energy-efficient setting that reduces the amount of steam generated, saving you money on your bills without compromising on results. Iron even your most delicate fabrics with this Philips steam generator iron with easy-to-use settings for hassle-free ironing.